Hello English learners. Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I have a new word for you. Distraught. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversation. But if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Distraught. It's an adjective. Basically, distraught means extremely worried, nervous, or upset. Its synonyms are anxious, desperate, troubled, overwrought. Let's take few examples. Example 1. We were all distraught over the loss of our homes in the flood. Example 2. She was unable to speak because of her distressed and distraught condition. Example 3. When the girl in the same story discovered her father's conspiracy, she was distraught. Example 4. The missing child's distraught parents made an emotional appeal for information on TV. That is the end of today's episode. Please do subscribe to our channel for more words. Thank you.